Hello everyone, here we brings you another geometry problem from nmtc Junior Level 1. Let's see the problem. Here we have the adjoining figure ABCDEFGH is a regular octagon. AB and ED are produced to meet at P. This is the line segment AB. This is the line segment AB which is produced till P, and this is ED which is produced till P. Now we need to find the measure of angle BPD, that is angle BPD. This angle we need to find. So let's see the solution, and before moving to the solution, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Here we mark the required angles. Let us mark this angle as angle 1, this is angle P, this as angle 2, and this angle as angle 3, which is the interior angle of the octagon. Now since this is a regular octagon, we can find each interior angle of this octagon as 135 degree. So we can mark this angle as 135 degree. Since angle 1 and this angle is forming a linear pair, so we can calculate the value of angle 1, and that will be the same value for angle 2. And since this is ED is the straight line, so that's why this interior angle will also be 135 degree. So angle 2 also comes out to be 45 degree. Now here angle 3, which is the interior angle of the regular polygon, so this is 135 degree. Now for the quadrilateral PBCD, that's this quadrilateral BPDC, if you say, this is a concave quadrilateral, and for a concave quadrilateral we know the property that angle 3 is equals to angle 1 plus angle P plus angle 2. So we will apply directly that result. So here angle P comes out to be 135 degree minus the sum of this 45 that comes out to be 90 degree. So the answer comes out to be 45 degree. That's the correct answer for this question, and the option number A, which is the answer. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.